Hey guys, Becki-licious here. Today I'm making the most tender, juicy pork loin, slow cooked in the crock pot with pineapple. And then I'm going to be piling it onto a warm sub sandwich for an amazingly delicious lunch. This is my yummy, warm pork loin sub sandwich. Watch how easy it was to make. Okay, the first step for these pork loin sub sandwiches is we got to take care of this pork loin because we're going to cook it in a slow cooker. But I want to sear it up first on each side, just a couple of minutes, just to kind of get, like I said, that little bit of a sear. And then we're going to go ahead and transfer it over to the crock pot. All right, so I've got this seared up. So we're going to go ahead and throw it on our plate, and then we're heading over to the crock pot. All right, so we are going to throw this in our crock pot, and I'm just doing a smaller pork, which is why I decided to do sandwiches, because it's perfect. Put in a bunch of minced garlic. We want this all in here. And then we've got a little bit of soy sauce. Drizzle all of that in there. And then we're going to dump the entire can with the juice of your pineapple chunks, okay? So we're going to get that yummy pineapple. Brown sugar. So we're going to scoop up a little bit of this. And then we're just going to kind of get this all kind of crumbled in here over the top. And then that's it. We are putting our lid on, and then we're going to put this on low for about 4 hours or so. So I'll catch you back in a bit. All right. Our pork loin is ready. Time to pull this puppy out. Ooh, looky that. And then we're going to come over, get it sliced up, because we're going to build this sub sandwich. Okay, I got my French roll all toasted up. Let's build this yummy sandwich. Got to start out with some mayonnaise. I am fully a mayonnaise girl for sure. This is so good. I can already tell. This is going to be amazing. You know, while I'm building this, it probably would not be a bad idea for me to tell you or ask you to please like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link made for some other fun stuff. All right, let's get this pork on here because look at how amazing this sliced up. Oh, this looks, but wait, I want my cheese first. I want to have my pepper jack on the bottom. How could I forget about the pepper jack cheese? And we're going to layer our yummy, juicy, oh my goodness, look at how juicy this meat is. Oh yeah, 3 slices ought to do us just fine. We're going to throw some tomato on here. A few, I think 3 slices ought to do it. And we got some onion as well. Ooh, boy, even my pups are thinking it's time to eat. Last but not least, we're going to just throw our lettuce on here. Looky there, looky there. Looks amazing. Always toothpick it because it helps you cut. Saw it first. It's a little trick. Then you cut it. Just whoop, right down the center. Looky there. All right, time to plate up. So there you go. Our warm, yummy pork loin sub sandwich is all done. I can't wait to taste this. It's absolutely amazing. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, click on this one.